Today I'm making a crystal pen holder for my workspace. I'm going to be using this beautiful crystal mold. It has all these crystals along the periphery. They are irregular, some are bigger, some are smaller. I like that. I think this will work very nicely as a small pen holder. I am mixing 30 ml resin and 30 ml hardener for my 60 ml mold. Next, I pour some of the resin into another container. I will be adding this purple alcohol ink to this resin to get the color which I want for the tips of the crystals. The resin seems to be getting a little viscous, so I'll use a heat gun to give myself a little more working time. The weather is a little cold today and I sense more trouble up ahead. But I have started now and I have to finish. Unlike with paper crafts, I can't really put this aside and come back to it later. I can't just pour the purple resin directly in or it will color the sides. To avoid that, I will use this plastic pipette to carefully add the colored resin to the tips of this crystal mold. I want the color to be concentrated at the tips and a clear base which will easily let the light through in case I choose to place it on a light base. Some resin got onto the walls anyway. Let me wipe them away before pouring in the clear resin. Because of the cold weather, it seems that the degassing wasn't very effective. Most of the bubbles are still in the resin. Some might escape from this base area, but I'm worried that those trapped in the crystals will remain. My resin calculation was too precise. I made the mistake of not accounting for the resin which remains stuck to the pouring container sides. However, this gives me the option to fill in the base later with some color, if necessary. Now I will leave this to cure for 24 hours. I see a lot of bubbles. Wow, none of them left the resin. Even the ones on the base, which was just a few millimeters thick. I'm a little disappointed that I'm not really getting my ethereal crystal look. Demolding is tricky because the mold is a bit stiff and the bubbles have made the surface uneven. Finally, it is out. Wow. I don't know what to say. So many bubbles, and you know what? I think it looks amazing. Once I put this on my light base, the bubbles will catch the light. The tips of the crystals where I poured the warmed up purple resin mix are bubble free. Clearly, temperature is the key. Next time I will warm the resin in water to eliminate bubbles when the ambient temperature is less than optimal for resin crafting. This pen holder also doubles as a lamp on my crafting table in the evenings. It reminds me that there is no right way to do things and not to fear failure. Who knew that the bubbles in resin would actually make me so happy? Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe. Happy crafting and have a wonderful day.